guys. How in the hell did I get dirt way up there? Anyways, today is a very sad day, but it's a real happy day too at the same time, because all this stuff is ready. This guy is getting a whole bunch of stuff for the price that I'm selling it for. And the car. She is leaving today, but I will not be here to say goodbye because I'll be at work going to Nashville. So this is the last time you guys will see her, hopefully. So she'll do a little video of it leaving down the driveway.
I am.
Yeah, you gotta do it. Miss Grace here. Hey. Nope, she sees the shirt. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
She wants to be in the grass.
So, and tomorrow.
No, because don't even. We have a lot of stuff to do.
What do we have to do tomorrow? What do we have to do tomorrow?
We have to do all of our yard.
What do we have to do?
What?
What is it? What is it?
Stop.
But we do have a lot of work to do tomorrow, but quit throwing rocks at me, you idiot. Ow! Anybody wants to buy a camper though, comment below and I'll sell it to you. Because we don't need it. We're tired of it. We just want to get rid of it. So yes, all this is going. And I'm trying to make sure I ain't got nothing else to go with it. But that's quite a bit of money right there. I mean,
Well, only 4 more hours and it leaves.
4 hours and it will leave. And in 4 hours I will be in Nashville.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will. It takes 4 hours there.
From now it's 4 hours. In 4 hours you'll be halfway to Nashville. Because you don't get to work till 2, 3,
Anyway,
4, 5, 6.
I'll be in Tennessee border. How about that?
No, this will be Kentucky. You make bets.
Probably, but we'll catch you guys all tomorrow.
The look on your face told me we'd be alright. Walking down the sidewalk as we took a ride off a riverside drive.
Alright guys, so as you see right there, we got a brand new 2021 pit bike. So once we get home, I'll do a little overview. So catch you guys in a flash. before anyone judge me, it's been like 5-6 years since I've been on a dirt bike, a real dirt bike. So bear with me. All right, so we're back here back at the house. You guys see the one little test drive we did. I rode around a little bit longer, but everything is good. It's pretty quick. We got one thing to do real quick, which is tighten this chain up, which, you know, it's a new chain, it's stretching, so. But I do like this part. The foot pegs are actually in the frame, which Honda doesn't have that, if I remember correctly. And the old Chinese pit bikes had it on the bottom of the case. Okay then.
I guess that was a pig.
That was a pig. So far, no complaints. This chain being loose. And I do like this style of chain tightening, because this is just like the 450s and stuff. KX's 450s and basically all other name brands. They do this kind. And another thing I like is it has an air box. All the other ones, they have just a filter on the outside of the carburetor, and you know, water and stuff can get into it. But this one actually has a air box. So I'm gonna take off the seat and let you guys see the air box, just to look at some of this stuff. What do you think of it? She rode the other one around for a little bit. She got scared.
The thingies are yucky.
The grips.
Yeah.
They are pretty disgusting.
I don't know where to stick my feet.
But I do like these fat bars, because that's one of the things I was going to upgrade, but I don't have to, because these already are the fat bars. So I'll take the seat off. Let you guys see. Alright, so we took the seat off, and it is not like the name brands where you take this bolt off and, you know, the seat pops out. No, there's 2 bolts right here, which if you come right here, there's one there, and your seat, that's where it sits at, which I don't know if I like that, but you know, still don't know where the air box is. I'm pretty sure it's right here. Yeah, I think so. Let's see if we can get the, oh yeah, I don't know, can you guys see that? There's the air box. So, which, I mean, yeah, frees up this area. You don't have to worry about it over there, but adjustable shock, which is nice, which I'm gonna adjust that up some for me, because I'm a little hefty. And you know, this is not plastic like the name brand ones, it's rubber. So far it's a nice bike. I just gotta tighten this chain up. I mean, disc brakes, which I'm gonna like that, which all the name brands, they are drums in the front. Just gotta, it's basically just a KX, and that's what it looks like. Comment below if you guys think this looks like a KX, or what you guys think it looks like. But we're gonna tighten this shock up a little bit. We're gonna tighten the chain, and we'll catch you guys in a flash. All right, so we got the seat on, we got the chain tightened. It's a little tight right here because of it's sitting on the bucket. As soon as I get down, it'll be for fun. So I undid the handlebars a little bit, tilted forward a little bit. As you can see, they're tilted forward a little bit. Undid the brake, tilted it a little forward. Undid the clutch, tilted it a little forward, and spread it about finger width. Just because I got big fingers, I don't want it to keep smashing my knuckle. And we did tighten up the back shock a little, so we're gonna go give that a test drive real quick. We are gonna tighten up the front a little bit, just a little. I'm assuming them are it. So, but so far, this bike is really decent. I mean, it's put together very well, but let's tighten them up. We gotta put this on there. So, be with you guys in a flash. Alright guys, so we're back here in the garage. As you see, it's nice and wet now. It is raining, so yeah, it's pretty good. Just gotta get used to it. Mainly, tomorrow we'll probably get it out and wash it. Don't say nothing. But yeah, I mean, as you see, it is dirty, and it started to rain. As you see, rain, and I'm wet. I'm pretty happy with it. Comment below what you guys think we should do to this. They say the KX 110s plastics will fit on this, so we might do a little plastic change just to see if it really will fit. But it does not have an electric start, which that's a bummer. And I gotta fix that. It's hitting, so it's no big deal. All I have to do is listen to this build up a little. Probably do it right behind me. So it's a 10, which everything is either a 10 or an 8. So we're gonna loosen this up, push it in farther.
Hope you like baby hands in your videos.
You'll be
That's not why I was out here. Here.
What?
She's being fussy.
Alright, so I guess that's how it's supposed to be. I don't think that's a good design because it's hitting this, unless this is not on right, but I say it is, so it's fine. So maybe tomorrow we'll get some more riding videos for you guys, but we are going to probably clean it because it is dirty. I don't like to put it away dirty, but it's pouring down rain, so there's no point. So comment below what you guys think we should do to this. Should we put some aftermarket handlebars? Should we put a different exhaust on it? I don't know what else to put on this. I mean, everything looks good as it is. So comment below what you guys think we should put on it. And we'll catch you guys in the morning.
I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. I had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine. Got me staring at you. I was lost in the days, waiting at the crosswalk, nothing to say. Asked if I was okay. I started started to smile, couldn't help myself, find a peace inside. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. Had a lot of dark nights, and we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, the smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine.
Alright, so that'll be it for today. Go hit the like button, go subscribe, go comment, and we'll catch you guys all on the next one.